Just wishing you a fabulous New Year 2025. May it turn out to be a great one for you, for your family members, as well as your team members at large as well. You did say that one should have realistic expectations when it comes to returns from the markets in 2025. Could you quantify it for us? Maybe what kind of returns could we expect? Will it be high single digits? Probably similar to what we have seen in 2024, 9%, or could it be in double digits as well?
Well, I would say that the potential for double-digit return definitely exists in CY25, but it will all be driven by two key factors. One, the trajectory for inflation, which was seemingly under control, but it seems to be now again making its uptrend slightly concerning. That's one. And second, I think the earnings expectations. There has been perceptible slowdown in lot many sectors within the Indian economy. We've seen Capex slowing down, and government Capex has been a big area of concern. Private Capex, while we are seeing early signs of recovery, but it still needs to sustain for us to drive earnings for 26. Rural consumption, while it is showing much better signs, but urban consumption has taken a knock. So while there are factors which can definitely make a very valid case for a double-digit return, let us also not forget that some of the stocks and a large number of sectors which have done well are now also quoting at significant premium to the long period averages. Some of these stocks are quoting at valuations which are very difficult to justify even in the most bullish scenario. And that was the point I was making, that having a reality check on what to expect in terms of returns will, I think, be the theme for the first half at least of CY25. And then as these things evolve, one will be in a better position to take a big picture view and accordingly realign the portfolios. Now, I just want to make another point. CY24 was the 9th consecutive year of positive returns on Nifty. And if you look at the overall convergence of returns in India, India was a very volatile emerging market. It has become a very mature market. So while you are having returns which are still positive, but the last 9 years of trends has led to convergence of returns to long period averages. So that's another important aspect to keep in mind. You will possibly, have very rare 20-30% years on Nifty. And more like double-digit returns, or at best a high teens kind of return on Nifty, because the valuations are reasonably well captured in most of the stocks in the sectors.